Hi there! Welcome to today's English lesson. This is Word Stories, where we turn simple stories into unforgettable vocabulary. Learn 5 new words in every episode and make them stick.
Milo had lived in the same apartment for years. It was small and quiet, and sometimes he felt lonely. Each day he looked out the window across the street. There was another building, old, gray, and quiet, but he never saw anyone there. Until one morning, a piece of paper was taped to the glass. A note. It said, "I see you." Milo smiled just a little. The next day, he replied. He taped his own note to the window. "Hi?" Then came another. "Do you want to be friends?" Then, "Meet me on the rooftop tomorrow at 4." Milo stared at the note. He had never even been up there, but something in his chest felt warm, like hope. The next day at 4, he climbed the stairs. The wind was soft. The door to the rooftop creaked open. And there, sitting by the edge, was a girl holding a paper crane. She turned and smiled. So did he.
Now that we've heard the story, let's take a closer look at the words we learned today. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Lonely. Lonely means you are by yourself, but not just alone. You feel sad too. You can be in a room, in a park, or even in a crowd, and still feel lonely. In stories, lonely characters often find connection in surprising ways. Example sentence. He felt lonely until he saw a light in the window across the street. Window. A window is an opening in a wall that lets you see outside. It brings in light, air, and sometimes new chances. In stories, a window often shows what's coming or who's watching. Example sentence. She looked out the window and saw a little bird waiting on the sill. Note. A note is a short, written message. It can be a reminder, a secret, or a kind word left behind. A small note can carry big meaning. Example sentence. There was a note taped to the window that said, "You're not alone." Hope. Hope is the feeling that something good is coming, even if you can't see it yet. It helps people keep going when things are hard. Hope is soft, quiet, but very strong. Example sentence. He read the note and felt a little hope in his heart. Smile. To smile means your mouth turns up and your eyes get warm. You smile when you feel happy or when something touches your heart. Sometimes a smile is the first step to something new. Example sentence: He smiled for the first time in days, just because of a small note.
Great job! Now you know 5 new English words. Can you make your own sentences using these words? Write them in the comments. I'll be reading them. That's it for today's word stories. Now you know 5 new words and how to use them. Practice them, repeat them, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell. And hey, don't forget to come back for the next story.